This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. As the number of COVID cases are on the rise, we appeal to our listeners not to lower the guard, follow all the precautions, and all those above 45 who have taken the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine to get vaccinated with the second dose at the scheduled time. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask. Maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, and focus on hand and face hygiene. And now, the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has stressed the need to scale up testing further in areas with high test positivity rates. He chaired a high-level meeting yesterday to discuss the COVID and vaccination-related situation in the country. Mr. Modi said that localized containment strategies are the need of the hour. He also asked for augmentation of healthcare resources in rural areas to focus on door-to-door testing and surveillance. The Prime Minister directed that a distribution plan for ensuring oxygen supply in rural areas be worked out, including the provision of oxygen concentrators. Meghalaya yesterday recorded 21 more fatalities, taking the number of deaths from COVID-19 infection to 301. The state also registered 560 new cases, which took the tally of active cases to 4,338. Also, there were 215 new recoveries, taking the number of recovered cases to 18,124. In Nagaland, 304 new cases of COVID-19 and 6 deaths were reported yesterday. The state's total caseload has increased to 17,835, while the death toll scaled to 185. Health Minister S.P. Phom informed that 53 patients also recovered. With this, the number of recovered cases stands at 13,087 and 3,985 are active cases. Meanwhile, 239,791 doses of vaccine were administered across Nagaland till yesterday. In Manipur, 730 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday. 10 more persons expired due to the viral infection, increasing the fatality figure to 562. Meanwhile, 403 more COVID-19 patients were discharged from hospital after recovery. The number of recovered cases is 32,275 and active cases is 6,215, respectively. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma yesterday held discussions with officials on setting up of oxygen plants in all districts and plans to set in motion community isolation centers near CHCs and PHCs. The PWD has been entrusted to ensure that installation of sanctioned plants is expedited to meet the oxygen needs of the state. Southwest Garo Hills Deputy Commissioner C.H. Ramakrishna has ordered for suspension of Aadhar enrolment camps in the villages due to COVID situation prevailing in the district. In a meeting of the district task force on COVID-19, the DC called for intensive surveillance of villages suspected of having community spread. In Assam, shops and business establishments will be closed from 11 a.m. today in urban areas. An order issued by the Chief Secretary said that there would be ban on movement of individuals from 12 noon to 5 a.m. This will continue till further orders. The Assam government has already announced to shut down educational institutions, government and non-governmental offices. In Mizoram, the ongoing total lockdown, which was supposed to continue till morning of 17th May, has been extended by 1 more week across the state. The lockdown will continue to remain in force till 4 a.m. of 24th May. The Sikkim government too has announced a complete lockdown in the state from 17th of this month to curb the rising COVID-19 cases. The lockdown will continue till the 24th of this month. The National Jal Jeevan Mission has issued an advisory to states and union territories to undertake water quality monitoring and surveillance activities to ensure potable drinking water to every rural home across the country. The Jal Shakti Ministry has advised the states to identify and train 5 persons, especially women, in each village from local community to conduct water quality testing using field test kits. Jal Jeevan Mission, being implemented in partnership with states and union territories, aims to provide assured tap water supply to every rural home by 2024. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.